Magandang araw! Ako po si Princess from the Philippines, and I am currently living here in Japan. Let's learn your very first Tagalog words. Kamusta? Kamusta? Which means how are you? How are you? If someone asks you kamusta, you can reply mabuti. Mabuti, which means I'm good. I'm good. Or okay lang. Okay lang, which means I'm okay. Or ayos lang. Ayos lang, which means I'm doing well. I'm doing well. See, you can speak Tagalog already. In my class, you will learn practical Tagalog that you can use with your family, friends, at works, or even traveling in the Philippines. My lessons are fun, interactive, and personalized to match your goals and learning styles. I also love to travel, so maybe I can share some tips or Tagalog words that you can use during your trip. Don't worry about making mistakes because it is part of the learning. And I will guide you step by step until you feel confident on speaking Tagalog in real life. So, handa ka na ba? Tara! Let's learn Tagalog together, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!